Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. As expected and mentioned in our previous video, there was a huge crash in global markets today. It was expected that Indian markets would fall around 2 to 3%. However, Nifty had fallen by almost 4 to 5% before recovering and closing around 3.2% down. Mid cap index was down 3.6% and small cap index was down 3.9%. Global stock market performance today: Hong Kong markets 15.24% down, Japanese markets 8.49% down, Germany 4.94% down, France 5.24% down, UK 4.27% down, Nasdaq 5.73% down on Friday, and India Nifty index 3.24% down. The following are the major reasons for the global stock market fall. Number 1, chance of US recession. Federal Reserve Chairman has already voiced his concerns over high inflation and low growth in the US economy due to the new tariffs imposed by the US President. Major financial institutions are expecting a recession in the US by the end of this year. If there is a recession in the US, then the global economy will be negatively impacted since the US is the largest economy in the world. So this is one of the major factors causing concern for global investors. 2. India VIX. The fear index or VIX went up by around 66% today as the fear from global markets shifted to Indian markets. VIX went up from 13.75 to 22.8 today. The last time VIX had reached this level was in August 2024. Until VIX does not fall, markets could continue to trade weak and be volatile. Point number 3, uncertainty of impact on tariffs. Although the new tariff announcement was made by Donald Trump on 3rd April morning Indian time, the effect of the tariffs will not be clear until some weeks. The global trade will gradually get impacted and impact the GDP growth of various countries. Many countries are likely to retaliate to the tariffs imposed by the US. China has already imposed new additional tariffs of 34% on certain US goods, which will be effective from 10th April. Similarly, Canada and some other countries are likely to announce retaliatory tariffs on the US. 49 out of 50 Nifty 50 stocks closed negatively. IT sector stocks fell heavily since if there is a US recession, then the business of IT companies will be significantly impacted because major business of Indian IT companies is received from the US. Although Indian economy is comparatively stronger than many other global economies, it will still be affected. Indian markets has lost more than 16 lakh crores in just one day today. Tata Group stocks market cap, which is in the Nifty 50, fell by 1.2 lakh crores. All 6 Tata Group companies in the Nifty 50 index have fallen significantly due to the trade war. Trent Limited 14.77% down today, Tata Motors 5.56% down, Tata Steel 7.77% down, TCS 0.77% down, Titan 1.76% down, Tata Consumer Products 3.72% down. Although such a situation is a good opportunity for long-term investors, many investors may have run out of money to invest in stocks or mutual funds. If you do not have money to invest, do not borrow and invest. Just hold your investments if they are expected to do well in the long term. Do not sell unnecessarily unless you have weak stocks or mutual funds. This is not the time to lose patience. It is time to be mentally strong. Bad times will pass. It is a question of just when it will pass. Investors whose knowledge is good and mindset is correct, they will still win even though the current situation looks very negative. If you like this video, please click the like button. And Nifty is down around 3.2% today. By what percentage was your portfolio down? Type in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.